Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you a quick and easy way to add a receipt to your Zara application. Whether you've lost your paper receipt or want to keep your purchase organized, this tutorial has got you covered. So let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then you have to tap onto the profile icon from the down bar of your screen. Once you are in your profile interface, you have to tap onto the purchases. As you can see, I have not ordered anything from the Zara yet, but in your case, you might have recently purchased a new item from Zara. To add receipt, you simply have to follow my guide. Tap on to add receipt button. You typically find this option either at the top or bottom of the screen. You can upload a photo of your receipt or enter the receipt code manually. The receipt code is usually printed at the bottom of the paper receipt you got in store. Once you have uploaded the receipt or entered the details, tap Save or Confirm. The app will now link your receipt to your account. And that's it, you have successfully added your receipt to the Zara app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.